Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the weather. Oh my god, it's dark, horrible. You can see dark clouds all around. Yes, so today the weather is awesome, literally. And I'm going to show you right now. It's 4 around. The rain is about to come and it's almost very dark. So, can be possible. Actually, my daughter, she's so scared of lightning and rain. So she's hiding herself. Here you can see. But I enjoy this weather a lot. So I'm going to show you Nahan's today's weather. See?
Friends, you can see what a wonderful view. Marvelous, tremendous, full of nature. We cannot challenge the beauty of nature. I love this view a lot. This is a
Friends, you
video
can
call from my
see
husband,
here
and
is the rain
he's
that
on
is
the way,
coming.
and there is
What a
hailstorm.
wonderful view. Friends, you can hear the everything.
Nature inspired me to live each and every moment of life, to enjoy your life. Life is just for a one, so we have to enjoy each
So I
moment
don't
of
want to
life.
miss such a beautiful
It's
experience.
give me a
So I
motivation,
captured
a kind of inspiration
this
that
moment
we are born
and
here
I would like to show
in
you
this
and
entire
I would like to
world,
share with you
in this
friends.
beautiful world,
I
to
hope
live and
you
do
like my
our
video.
best.
Thank you.
So that is my message.
So friends, I hope you like my video. It's about the first rain of the summer season and I like this weather a lot. I like this weather very much and I hope you also enjoy this weather after a hot and that's irritating summer. So it will give a kind of relaxation. The little shower of water will provide an happiness and pleasure to us. So I like this weather, and I enjoyed this time, and I want to share with you my amazing experience. So I hope I can see the thunderstorm going on. So right now I'm standing under the tree, and you can see this is what called our nature. Nothing is so beautiful as compared to the nature. कुदरत के आगे कोई भी चीज़ ऐसी जो खूबसूरत नहीं हो सकती. Actually, the nature is so beautiful. Everything is so beautiful in nature. And we, the human being, are the part of nature. So I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. It's time to go inside. There's quite thunderbolts and lightning all around. So I'm a little scared. So friends, I hope you like